growing up in Jamaica, there's certain vegetables that were not in abundance. One of that was beets. This vegetable here, it's high in folate, high in iron, potassium, manganese, vitamin C. All these are important for good health. Beets are also high in nitrates. Nitrates will dilate the blood vessels, thus causing more oxygenated blood to get to the cells, and thus will decrease malaise, tiredness, and will increase performance. Beets are also great to lower blood pressure. Just by relaxing the blood vessel wall, causing dilatation, this can lower blood pressure. So a lot of times when I see my patients with high blood pressure, I ask them to drink beet juice daily. If you don't like the juice, you can shred the beets, use it in a salad, or you can slice and steam. There's so many ways to use beets, but you must ensure that you have beets in your diet because of the effect it has on blood pressure and increase in your performance. Now, there are other health benefits from beets, but you have to follow me for more information on how to stay healthy consuming this simple red vegetable called beets. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Delicious. I wish you were here. You can make some today. Bye-bye.